Why you keep breathing? I don't understand it. Back up, bitch. Quit breathing on me. I got it. I'm done.
Ayy, shot point him out, I'ma dab in this shit. Put the 9 to his spine, shot gon' beat on this bitch. Now, bitch, I'm not Clyde, but I ride for my bitch. Ayy, I don't hide on my.
What's up, bitch? Yeah, I see you.
Excuse us, y'all. We're a little under the weather today. A little sinister. It's messing up.
Girl, shut the fuck up.
Come on, we're working out.
Why the fuck you lying?
Yeah, look up.
Come on.
Yeah, you know you don't be working out.
Bitch.
Why you keep breathing in my face? This bitch trying to get me sick. Why you keep breathing in my face while you sick? I don't understand it.
I'm not breathing. I'm just breathing. My nose stopped up. Come on.
Yeah,
It's
you
gonna rain too, so you need to work
you
out.
don't need to work out. You don't need to work out. You can't even breathe.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, next underarm.
Did you say underarm?
Other arm. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12.
14.
Stop. Mom! What the fuck is you playing for? Come on, for real.
Why you keep breathing? I don't understand it. Why do you keep breathing on me? She's sick. She keep breathing on me. What the fuck?
I'm not breathing. I my nose.
She mad because I ain't sick. Oh, I put the sprinkles.
I did too. They're going mosquitoes. They're going mosquitoes. And that bitch is big.
That's not a mosquito.
Yes, it is.
No, it's not. Why you keep doing it? I swear to God, I'm finna beat the fuck out of you. Why do you keep doing it? Why do you keep doing it?
What?
Why do you keep doing it?
Man, come on. We're supposed to be exercising. You playing, bro.
Because you playing out there.
I'm not even playing. Come on.
I already did it. Oh,
Okay,
you don't got no belly.
We can do that. Come on.
Back up, bitch. Quit breathing on me. Stay back up.
I'm just, bro, my nose stopped up. You know that.
That's the most tribal thing you can do. Is breathe on somebody.
What's on your back?
What you mean? D-Harry, why you hitting my back that hard? That shit stinking.
Okay, I'm sorry.
What's wrong with this girl?
Yeah.
Why you finna make me fall?
You gotta hold it.
I got it. I'm done.
Okay, I can.
No.
I can.
Get off me. I'm done.
Okay.
No. I'm about to pull your hair out.
Okay. I'm doing too much, bitch. I'm about to stretch for her. I was just playing.
Nah, breathe.
I was just playing. I was just playing. It was a joke. I was playing. Okay, y'all. I was just bullshitting, man. Is that what he said?
No, I
What'd he
don't
say?
want to play with her anymore because she plays.
My hair is a mess, y'all. I'm about to do it.
Hey, I got my
Don't worry
locks
about
put
me.
up.
Exactly.
You feel me? I got my locks put up.
And it's raining, y'all see that?
See that?
I need to go in the house. I'm already under the weather. Signed up.
It's time for me to just handle mine.
Cause why the fuck could you do that? What the fuck is wrong with you?
You talk too much. She don't be talking about shit. She just be talking. And she don't like to work out.
Oh, I'm gonna work out right now. I'm about to do.
I see mouse.
Okay.
She don't see mouse.
Bro.
I see mouse. She don't
with
see
you, bro?
mouse. I do all this. You feel me? Look at our dog.
He's
Look at our dog. Look at our backyard. It's so beautiful.
I can't get her. It's blurred.
She back there chilling.
It can only get me.
Hey. Y'all better go get y'all umbrellas, man.
All right, bye, y'all. We see y'all later.
Bye, bitches.
Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe to my new channel.
Period.
And we'll see y'all at the top.
outside with that rod on my hip, traumatized, survive, I'm alive, boy, you miss, but they blame on your aim and no flick in your wrist. Ayy, just to fuck with me, baby, you taking that risk. Let me get mad, I turn orange on this bitch. No, I don't stop till I hear that bitch click.